everyone, today I would love to show you how I crochet this beautiful lace that looks like a tree branch. So these are the leaves. It's very easy to crochet it because it's just one row pattern, and I tried with different cotton yarn. So I have this one that's much thicker, and this one, it looks even better. And for both of them I used 1.25 millimeter crochet hook, and really it looks awesome. I think you can use it for different projects, and it's fast and easy. So for the tutorial I will use very thick cotton. I think it's cotton number 6, and just 2 millimeter hook. I advise you to try to crochet a small sample to see if it works, your yarn and the hook, because sometimes you can have same size hook but different head, so it looks a bit different. We're going to chain 15, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we must chain 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over. We will start with double crochet and insert our hook into the 6th chain. So 2, 4, 6. And make 1 double crochet. Yarn over and another double crochet into the same chain. Now chain 2, yarn over and another double crochet into the same chain, yarn over, and you have 4 double crochet in the same chain. So it looks like that. Now we are going to skip 6 and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also skip 6, 2, 4, 6, and insert into 7s and make 1 single crochet. Now you're gonna chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will make a treble, so 2 times yarn over, insert into the same chain where you made single crochet. So we make 1 time, pull through 2 and not finish, leave 2 loops on your hook. Then we are going to yarn over 2 times again and insert into the same chain. And we don't finish as well. Now we have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 3 and chain 1. So 1 leaf is done. Now we're gonna count 6, 2, 4, 6 and insert into the last one, into the 7th one, yarn over and make 1 double crochet. Now yarn over and make another double crochet into the same chain, chain 2 and another double crochet into the last chain and another one. So in total you made 4 double crochet into the last chain. That's the end of row 1, and we are moving to row 2. For row 2, turn your work and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to work under this chain between 2 double crochet and 2 double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook under this chain. Make 1 double crochet, yarn over, and another double crochet. Chain 2 and repeat 2 double crochet under the same chain. So now I have 4 double crochet under chain. I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now you see here the big chain, and I insert my hook into the second stitch, in the second chain. If you turn, you can see 1, 2, but don't turn, keep it chain like that so it will not be twisted. Insert and make 1 single crochet. Now we are going to chain 4, 3, 4, 2 times yarn over, and insert into the same second chain. We are crocheting the leaf, so keep the 2 loops and don't finish. Next time, insert into the same stitch. We have 3 loops on the hook. All together, chain 1, and now we have to work under this chain 2. And just make 1 double crochet, another double crochet, chain 2, and make double crochet. That's the end of row 2, and all the pattern you must repeat just row 2 and until you have the right length. So you must just turn your work, chain 5 again, 4, 5, then work under this chain, make another 2 double crochet, chain 2 to double crochet, then work here into the second stitch. So I repeat last time, and I think it will be very clear for you how to make this lace. Chain 2, 1, 2, then you chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, single crochet into the second chain here. Then you chain 4, 2, 3, 4, 2 times yarn over to make a treble, pull through 2, pull through 2, keep the 2 loops, repeat again, 2, 2, 3 loops, pull through all of them, chain 1 and finish into the second, chain 2, 1, 2, chain 2, 1, I think that's a very easy and very beautiful lace. You can work with any project. You can use these chains to attach it to the yarn or another fabric, and you will have beautiful leaves that work with any type of cotton, any yarn, and the hook size. So that's it for today. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like, or dislike if you don't like it. Thanks for watching.